If you've ever noticed how quickly dust builds up in the smallest, hardest to reach places, this next product might quietly solve a problem you didn't realize was costing you time and effort. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, why we're taking a closer look at the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, a compact, dual-function cleaning tool designed for cars, desks, and everyday spaces where traditional vacuums simply don't reach. If you're someone who values a clean interior, works around electronics, or deals with pet hair and tight corners, this product is clearly aimed at you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. The KMM unit combines a 9,000 pascal suction vacuum with an air duster in one lightweight device. That means instead of just pulling debris in, it can also push dust out of tight crevices, something especially useful for keyboards, vents, and delicate equipment. It's powered by a 120W motor and runs on a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, designed for portability, without sacrificing too much performance. Here are the reasons to buy KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The dual-function design is genuinely practical. Being able to switch between vacuuming and air blowing expands how you clean. Instead of struggling to suck dust out of narrow gaps, you can loosen it first with the air duster and then vacuum it up. This is especially useful for car interiors, keyboards, and camera gear, where precision matters. Its 9,000 pascal suction power, WER paired with a 120W motor, delivers solid performance for a device of this size. While it's not intended to replace a full-size vacuum, it handles crumbs, pet hair, and fine dust efficiently. For everyday maintenance cleaning, especially in compact spaces, the performance feels reliable and consistent. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes a noticeable difference in real-world use. At just 0.72 pounds, it's easy to carry, store, and use for extended periods without fatigue. The integrated LED light is a thoughtful addition, helping you see dust in dark corners under seats or inside tight compartments. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. The one-click disassembly allows quick emptying, and the washable HEPA filter helps maintain suction while capturing fine particles. Over time, this reduces the need for replacements and adds to long-term value. It's also trusted by many 5-star reviewers, which reinforces confidence in everyday usability. Final verdict: the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner strikes a strong balance between portability, versatility, and performance. It's not designed for deep cleaning large areas, and the battery life may require planning for longer sessions. However, for targeted cleaning cars, desks, electronics, and small living spaces, it performs exactly as expected. This is best suited for users who want a compact, multi-purpose cleaning tool that's easy to maintain and always within reach. What sets it apart is the combination of vacuum and air duster functionality in such a lightweight form factor. If that aligns with your needs, it's a practical addition that simplifies everyday cleaning. Take a moment, consider your use case, and decide with confidence.